number one. Trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. What do you say it in one of my video? Mr. Shenseea have the most artistic fans them. And see it there again, Mr. them always a paint and a draw Shenseea. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today me I go show you some videos. You see what I say, where I go on gram. So first me I go show you how to not eat breadfruit. But guys, I feel away for showing you because it's a wonderful Christina Milian. You see what I say? Remember one time I watched Love Don't Cost a Thing as a little youth? I one of the prettiest woman me ever see. But anyway, me I go show you what she going with. So take a look at this video. Here goes.
Eating most of my fruit from Tropical Fruit Box USA. Now I'm gonna try this. I've never tried it before. It's called the sweet bread. Looks like. I don't know. It's probably slime from Violet.
Yeah, it was like no, not me. Put that on it.
I don't know, but your brother has something in his hair. Ta-da! What does this taste like? Let's find out. Okay, so I called it the wrong thing. It's not sweet bread. It's called breadfruit. Breadfruit. And I just took a little bite, and it tastes like a giant. It just tastes tropical. It's good. You want some?
I want to say guava, but I want to say another.
Jano people. I know the first me I see people I eat raw breadfruit, but you know what I mean? You can clearly see say she don't know what go on. Cause she not even did know the name of it. So me don't know if when she get it, them could tell her what go on and how to prepare it. Now me I go show you another thing by some strange fate and totally isolated and have nothing to do with Christina Milian breadfruit. You know what I mean? We come across a breadfruit pan Shenseea story. But hear what them are saying in that video. Hear this.
Who's gonna tell her? Who's gonna tell her? Who's gonna tell her? Who's gonna?
Yes, so they must say who's gonna tell her, and they actually tag Shenseea and I say Shenseea and I go tell her. So definitely we know see a Christina Milian them a talk about, right? But I kinda, you know, understand still. You know, she grew up in America her whole life. I think she's Cuban. Somebody did comment on my Instagram and say she's Cuban, so therefore she should know about breadfruit. But clearly she don't know, right? And we can't hold that against her. At least she had try out something where she know, you know what I mean, she not used to. So we have to big her up for that. But anyway, she did comment and write her something on her story. She writes something on her story and she said, I am now aware you are supposed to cook breadfruit. Obviously, I never seen or tried in my life, but next time I will boil it, maybe fry it. Most important, eat it, right? So she finally figure out and know say, I know so if you go, you know, if you eat it raw. Although I see people eat it raw before, you know what I mean? But we as Caribbean people, we know say I know so it go. So the next thing I want to show you know say the lighter challenge that go on and it did hot, it did a blaze, you see me? But it looked like it burned out after a while. But we can't close it off and not show no the artist's own son, so that a Shenseea son Raj I do the lighter challenge. So let's take a look at Raj lighter challenge. Here goes.
Baby, on the brown like sauce your face. Fire and macular for make you ways. You make me feel liar, liar, liar. You make me feel liar, liar, liar. You make me feel.
Well, them Rajira, I think he did well, you know what I mean? Him do good to me. You see me I say, for a little kid, yeah, him do well. So big up yourself, Raj, and big up Shenseea. Now people want to get into another story where, you know what I mean, this pertaining to Jada boyfriend Versimans, right? And some dealings we have with Akon and Kanye West, right? So I'm not going to get into all of it because it's long. So I'm just going to try to go know the summary of it. So yesterday, you know what I mean, Versimans took it to his Instagram and he call out Akon and yeah, right? Because he must have them own money and him been in courts for 3 to 4 years for songs where him write and him still not get paid. I know Jada Kingdom feel about verse already, so Jada Kingdom I defend him straight up 100. You see what I say? But it was a heated thing, you know what I mean? Him very upset because him talk about things, you know what I mean? But Akon them and I say them unfair and those kind of thing. But the thing that impressed me the most, now me don't say him write some song, him write whole heap of song people, him write song for himself, him write song for all kind of artists. But the thing what surprised me the most, me never know the tune them when write. So when me I find out some of the tune them when mention now in the post, me I telling the people, me don't know if we not go surprise as much as me, but because we hear them song every day and we never know say a Jada boyfriend write them song, me I go tell you them song. So the first song he mentioned, him say, I have yet to get my effing money. Imagine writing songs like New Flame, Chris Brown featuring Usher and Rick Ross, Love More featuring Nicki Minaj, Drunk Text featuring Janine Aiko, Songs and 12 Play featuring Trey Song, Don't Think They Know featuring Aliyah, and Who's Gonna Stop Me for Jay-Z and Kanye. Not to mention my own records like Boo Thing. Never get a penny from my publishing on any of these records. Every records I just name is gold or better. Now think about how much money that was stolen from me. And I am not no 5 to 10% writer. Every record I control the majority of the publishing. So when you hear that, people, me I talk about them song, I want to know that song then. Let's start a new flame. I the man write them tune in, people. You see what I say, a big song that. You see me? So big him up on that. I'll tell him some more what him say, alright? So him continue and him say, I have been in court for the past 3 to 4 years trying to get this guy to make a settlement. But him and his lawyer keep dodging me. It's crazy how these type of scammers like Blue, like you feel like family, like real brothers, then disappear when the money hits. His brother at Akon is no better. Them niggas play good cop, bad cop. I've been quiet about this for so long, still out of respect. But why? Cause these niggas don't respect me. Right? So the man say him tired, the man want him money. And me not lie, people, from them song that we mention, and just imagine, just go look on the views on them song, yeah, on just YouTube alone, so you can have an idea like these songs were very popular. And if a film creation him to get him money, you see what I mean? I say obviously him have some kind of argument because he says he's in court and it's over 3 to 4 years. If I did a foolishness, don't you would have showed for a long time or he wouldn't go to court. So I think he has a point. And you know what I mean? Me hear say I'm a writer, and me hear say, me know say him do song, because me know the song Boo Thing. It's on YouTube, you know what I mean? You can actually go look it up. Like, you know what I mean, 2010, 2011, that's when he was popping. But me never know say him write them song, you see me? So me just as surprised as anybody else when I hear this. But people, you know what I mean? I'm going to wrap it up, yes, sir. And that's the end of the video for today. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here and thank you for keep on liking, sharing, and commenting, right? And if you subscribe, please turn on the bell icon for daily updates. So have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are.
We got
thank you for watching.
Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know. Tanto Blacks, Yadi.